Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to clean a Dyson Supersonic hair dryer filter. In this easy tutorial, I'll be going over the basic steps for cleaning this filter. This is a Dyson Supersonic hair dryer, and this is the air filter that's on it. This is how it gets the air to actually blow dry your hair, okay? This is how it gets the air to blow dry your hair. You like that rhyme? All the time, so stay tuned for more. Okay, anyways, first and foremost, make sure that it's unplugged. You don't want to do this when it is plugged in, okay? So if you take a look right here, there's actually a little symbol over here that's going to tell you basically when it is locked and unlocked. I'm sorry, I actually thought it was locked, but it was unlocked for the video, so I'm just going to lock it right there, okay? So you can see right here, the red little dot on the filter is lined up with the white filled in dot on the actual hair dryer. To unlock it, you want to twist it to the point where it's connecting with this empty non-filled dot right here. So we're going to twist it just like that. Now I can pull it down, and now I have access to the grate and the actual filter part right here that actually gets the air through, okay? Very, very simple. Now what you want to do, in some of the other models, you're going to be able to actually pull this apart. In this one, this stays in place. You can't pull it apart as far as I'm concerned. So what you want to do is very simply, you can get a small little vacuum. This isn't absolutely necessary, but I like to do this. Get a small little vacuum and just vacuum around it. And I just want to show you that this hair dryer is relatively new, but there are still little pieces of lint in there. It accumulates, because it sucks in so much air, it accumulates quite quickly because of the power of the blow dryer. So make sure you do this on a regular basis. So, sorry about that. I'm gonna just vacuum up all the lint around the edges here. That's the first step. Alright, so now that that's done, I've vacuumed up, I would say, almost all of the lint. But what I like to do is I like to just use a dry cloth. You're not going to do anything wet, because this is all still on the hair dryer. So use a dry cloth, and this is a microfiber cloth. It's definitely advisable to use one of these. I like to just wipe this down, and you want to wipe downwards, because the air goes up into it like that. So wipe downwards, just like that. And make sure you're not using a cloth that has any parts that are fraying off of it, because then it might go into the filter, which you don't want because you're trying to remove everything. Just wipe it down like that. As you can see, there's no more lint inside of that, which is great. And then what I like to do is just wipe down this grate on the outside and then quickly on the inside like that. And if you really want to, what you can do is just quickly with your mouth and your air, just like that, and that really ensures that it's all out of there. Now we're going to take the grate, we're going to put it back up. Once again, line up the red dot with the open dot, and then we're going to twist it to match up with the filled dot. Just like that. It's going to lock into place like you just saw, and you're good to go. That is how to clean the filter on a Dyson Supersonic hair dryer. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.